Hey guys, let's talk about the Kasa camera petrol mode setup. So basically I have a Kasa Spot Pan Tilt camera, and as you can see here on my app that the camera is working, and I have different views here. So you can have up to 4 different views, and then when you tap the view, the camera is going to change to the position, right? And you can also enable the patrol setup. So the camera is going to change from position to position automatically. Basically here, I'm just doing this manually. You can just tap on it and the camera go to the location. So it's pretty useful. And to set up this, you just need to come here to the settings. And then you see that you have here the activity zones. So just make sure that you have the areas that you want, okay? So those are the viewpoints. So I can basically select a new viewpoint. So just move the camera to the position that I want, and I set the viewpoint. And then I have the location ready to go, okay? As you can see here, I was testing before, so I have different viewpoints here. If I save it, it's going to use this one, but the camera is back there in the other room right now. So I just enable activity zones, set the viewpoints, and then I come here to the patrol mode, right? And you see here that the viewpoint number 1, 2, 3, and 4, I can just enable, basically here, enable the patrol mode, and here is the time. So basically I can change the viewpoint name and the time. In this case, I have 1, 2, 5, and 10 minutes. Those are the options available, and it's enabled already, so it's supposed to be working. So now the camera is going to stay for 1 minute in one position, and then it changes to the next one, right? So it's gonna look for the next position and keep doing this patrol. You see here the information that the camera is right now on patrol. I need to wait for 1 minute so you can see it. And from here, it's not possible to enable or disable the device, the patrol, right? When you try to use this manually, for example, when or somebody moves in front of the camera, the patrol is going to stop. So basically, you still can stop the patrol, but to bring it back, you need to come back to your settings here. There's no way to just do it from here, you see? Let's go into the next one right now by itself after 1 minute. And unfortunately, you cannot set like a shorter time, let's say 30 seconds, for example. I can't even show you here as an example because it's not possible. The minimum time is 1 minute, right? Then if I come here manually and I go to try to go to a different position, you see that I have an option here to stop the patrol. Then I just stop, and you see that it's no longer working. All right, but I still can go manually to any position that I want. There we go. But then if I need to start over, start it again, I don't have any option here. So I need to come back there to the patrol menu. There we go, patrol mode, and enable from here. Then when I come back to the main screen, it's going to be on patrol, and after 1 minute, it's going to move again, okay? So that's the way it works. There are some limitations, right? But you need to set up like this. So that's the way you can set up patrol mode on Kasa cameras. And I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to this channel, leave your thumbs up and your comments, and I see you in the next one.